How to transfer contacts from one phone to another without the SIM card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can actually transfer contacts from one phone to another very easily. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you want to transfer the contacts from one phone to another, it's very simple. What we will do is we will back up all those contacts to our Google account, and we will log in that same Google account on the Android phone, and then the contacts will be imported automatically. To do that, just open your phone's default contact application. Once you do that, tap on the three lines over here, and I will go to the option called Manage Contacts. The easiest way to simply move all of your contacts is to just sync contacts. So when I tap on sync, all of my contacts, whether they're on my device or whether they're on another account, is going to be backed up to these accounts. So as you can see, this is a particular Gmail account where I want to turn on sync. You want to make sure to simply turn on this toggle and tap on the sync option at the bottom. Once you tap on the sync option, all of our contacts has been synced to all of these Google accounts. Now the easiest way is on your other Android phone. You can simply go ahead and then turn on sync after logging into your Google account. You can use Gmail app to log in. You can use the Play Store app, log in any type of Google app in order to log into your Google account. Once you've done so, your contacts is going to be synced automatically, or else you can also go to import or export contacts, and you can tap on import to import the contacts file to your internal storage or anywhere over here, and you can share those files and export it in that way. Or you can also go to the option called move. When you select move, you can select from where you want to move your contacts, from your phone or anywhere, to the place where you want to go ahead and then move all those contacts. So I'll just tap on the done button, and over here you want to select where you want to move the contacts to, and you can simply select that Google account. But keep in mind that moving will delete it from your old account. And this is how you can go ahead and then transfer contacts from one phone to another. It's very easy. It's not much of a hassle. Hopefully this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.